हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू फायनान्शियल सिक्रेट्स. आता नवीन प्रकारचा एक व्हिडिओ तयार केला आहे. ते म्हणजे मी गुगलमध्ये ट्रेडिंग सायकोलॉजी टाईप केला आहे आणि नंतर इमेजेसला जम्प केलं आहे. इमेजेस मग टुडेस स्टाईल ऑफ गेटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर रिगार्डिंग फायनान्शियल knowledge is through Google images. Okay, let's see what first Google image will come. This is the first Google image, then next afterwards. First is advanced trading psychology. Okay, then next we'll see the cycle of market emotions. Here what you see bull market and bear market. Okay, in bull market you have started from optimism, impatience, excitement and overconfidence. At overconfidence, Google says successful traders recognize this as the point of maximum financial risk. Okay, and then denial comes, regret, fear. Then what comes? Panic and despair, and that is the starting point, the end of bear market. And in bear market, Google says successful trader recognize this as the point of maximum financial opportunity. Okay, then afterwards slowly again hope comes, relief comes, and optimism comes. Means new bull market starts. Okay, the next page we will see the same last image, and in this they said 14 stages of trading psychology and why it's okay to not always be good. Here again we see optimism, excitement, thrill, euphoria, anxiety. Then bear market starts: anxiety, denial, fear, depression, panic, capitulation, and despondency, depression. Again slowly bull market starts: depression, hope, relief, excitement, then again that. Okay guys, the next is this. See, from tradingcoach.co.in. Here again bull trend starts, then again bear trend and bull trend. So, okay, we will see how it is. First, the price is going up. Let's watch the market. Okay, then secondly, the trend is holding. I'll buy at the next consolidation. Okay boys, then see third, damn, I missed the consolidation, but if I wait any longer, I won't profit from the trend. Let's buy. Then what happens? Good thing I don't wait. Fourth, okay. Then fifth stage comes: I will use this correction, increase my position. Okay. Then sixth, brilliant, at this stage, at this price, let's double it. Okay, then seventh stage, watch, as soon as it goes back up, I'm selling out. 8, I don't believe it, it's down to 8, 1/4, it's hit its absolute bottom. Then 9, okay, let's wait for it to recover, otherwise this will have to be a really losing term investment. Then 10 came, what the SEC doing about this? 11, enough, I'm selling out and staying out. Then good 12, good thing I sold everything. Then 13 it comes, it's going to tank again anyway. 13, okay. Then 14, told you so. 15, you what? 16, What the hell? 17 more cases who are going to get taken to the cleaners. 18 this is it. I knew this was going to happen all along. 19 drat. I'll buy in again. It's cheaper than last time anyhow. Okay, this is trading psychology, guys. This is trading psychology. We'll see next. Nervousness, overconfidence, fear, greed, anxiety, FOMO, doubt. Okay, guys, again see trading psychology. So our brain is control of our nature, our behavior. So our psychology, आपली मानसिकता आपल्या ब्रेनमध्ये आहे. So why not to change our brain? So replace our brain to computer. So simple. So become emotionless and trade and करोडोपती. A FOMO trader experience. FOMO म्हणजे fear of losing out. It's okay. Great excitement stage is there, buy. Then fear anxiety stage will be there, sell. Then becomes important, cycle repeats. FOMO. And next, 11 lesson in trading psychology. 11 lesson in trading psychology. What these are? I know your strength. Develop confidence. Know your weakness. Know when to take a break. Become self-aware. Learn to change. Control your environment. Deal with stress. Pinpoint your emotions. Develop a routine and then challenge your ideas. Okay. Then next comes traders. Friends, अंडरस्टँड द सायकॉलॉजी. मानसिकता म्हणजे तुमचं ब्रेन, त्याच्यामुळं त्या ब्रेनला कॉम्प्युटर बनवायचं. हिअर ट्रेडिंग सायकॉलॉजी, हॅपीनेस, इम्पेशन्स, anger, fear, pride. Okay. Here again, technical entries, exit and market selection. Three broad concepts, no? Already we discussed in first lecture. Technicals म्हणजे स्ट्रॅटेजी, तुमची स्ट्रॅटेजी. दुसरं मनी मॅनेजमेंट, रिस्क मॅनेजमेंट. आणि ते चौथं पेशन्स अँड इमोशन, दॅट इज सायकॉलॉजी, ट्रेडर्स सायकॉलॉजी, ट्रेडिंग सायकॉलॉजी. You are getting knowledge regarding financial secrets about three things only. One, your own strategy, technical strategy, money management, risk management, and third one is trading psychology, patience and emotion. Technical means your own setup, your own strategy is entries, exit and market selection. Risk management means money management, position sizing, trade management, correlation management. And third one, trading psychology is emotions, protecting emotional capital, waiting for traders, avoiding revenge trading. Okay. Trading psychology, this is Aniruddha Sethi. Aniruddha Sethi's book, Trading Psychology. Okay, we'll see this book later on. Okay. See this, how to master trading psychology and discipline. Dominic Stone. He says stealth phase, awareness phase, mania phase and blow up phase. In stealth phase, smart money pours. smart money dumps in stealth phase as an investment. Then take off awareness phase, institutional investors they jump in, and then what happened? First sell off occurs and bear trap will be there. Trap means actually the market is in bull phase, and in between bear comes for a small time, then again bull reappears, that is called bear trap. Then what happens? Mania phase. In mania phase, media attention, enthusiasm, public attention will come, then greed occurs, delusions occurs, new paradigm means नवीन एकदम मार्केटमध्ये नवीन गोष्ट घडते. आणि जेव्हा असं काय अचानक चमत्कार वगैरे करतं त्यावेळेस सर्वात जास्त लॉस होतो. चमत्कार वगैरे काहीच नसतं, फक्त हार्ड वर्क असतं, म्हणून पॅराडाईम शिफ्ट होतो. नंतर बियर फेज चालू होतं, डेनियल, रिटर्न टू नॉर्मल, बुल ट्रॅप. बियर ट्रॅप जसं येतो तसं बुल ट्रॅप पण येतं. देन फिअर, कॅपॅच्युलेशन, डिस्पेअर, रिटर्न टू द मीन. Okay guys, this is how to master trading psychology and discipline. So keep in mind, this is of every company's performance. Every company's performance. This is share market. How this looks familiar? Okay, so price goes up, then short entry here, stop left here, and target here. Short entry means selling first and then buying, selling first and buying, and that will take some profit. Freak out here and close out early. Trade ends up hitting target after you close. This is how to master trading psychology webinar, Forex 4 moves. See this trading psychology. The missing trade. See this. Market psychology, market cycle. So market cycle means any company or full market is going like this: hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, anxiety, denial, panic, anger, and depression. See this same what we discussed earlier in last slide. The same thing is there. Okay, level from the weekly chart, level from the weekly chart. Okay, we'll see next. The essence of trading psychology. This is second book, Essence of Trading Psychology, Yuval Benji. Wall Street cheat sheet, psychology of a market cycle. See this same things. Market starts, goes up, then goes down. Market starts, goes up, goes down. See this online trading academy block, the market cycles, fear and greed. Market cycles, fear and greed. Greed, buy more. Fear, sell more. Optimism, enthusiasm, excitement, euphoria. Anxiety, denial, fear, despair, panic, capitulation, disencouragement, dismay, hope, relief, optimism, and repeat until broke. See this psychology of trading, forex trading psychology. Right brain, emotional, focused on art and creativity, dreams and imagination predominate, occasionally absent-minded, prefers friction, enjoys creative storytelling. Okay. Then see NLP trading psychology. Same already we discussed. Here we will see, wow, I feel great about this investment. Then point of maximum financial risks. Temporary setback, I am a long-term investor. Maybe the markets just aren't for me. Point of maximum financial opportunity. See this trading psychology. Market, stock analysis, risk reward, entry exit management, technical analysis, account strategy. Trading psychology beyond the technical analysis, education. Guys, see this top 10 trading plan essentials. How many traders will you use to evaluate your performance? Identify your key performance metrics. What time of day will you trade? Define your trading age. Define stops to trade. Place your stop loss. When to exit. Trade management. How much money you can use per trade. Taking breaks. Trading psychology. Introduction to trading psychology. 5 paisa. This is same again. Point of maximum financial risk. Point of maximum financial opportunity. Okay guys, see this trading psychology, how to control emotions while trading. Understanding forex trading psychology. FX trading magazine, trading psychology, how to eliminate. Day trader, a day in the life of a trader. Day trader. Okay. Trading psychology, tensions and emotions while trading. Trade brains. Components of successful trading. Trading psychology 60%, risk management 30%, and technical system 10%. See guys, it's very important. So financial knowledge is about 3 things only: 10%, 30%, 60%, and 60% is trading psychology. So that's why I am very concerned about trading psychology first to become crorepati. See this price, time, support, resistance, entry out of greed, exit out of panic, exit out of fear. Trading psychology: greed, fear, hope, regret. See this guys, positive spiral support, negative spiral resistance. Support and resistance. Here what you are watching, 10 lessons of trading psychology. 1, you know your strengths, develop confidence, know when to take a break, become self-aware, learn to change, control your environment, think in probabilities, pinpoint emotions, develop routine, deal with stress. Forex trading psychology. The brain is a pattern seeker. Okay, brain is pattern seeker. See this, how you are looking. Trading psychology that works. See inside yourself. Very important. See inside yourself. How important is trading psychology? Very important. 60% trading, 60% contribution of this psychology, मानसिकताचं 60% contribution आहे. If your मानसिकता is right, perfect, then no one will stop you to become crorepati, right? Trading psychology, how to guide your mind to trading success. See this guys, very nice one. Overconfidence, hope, fear, and greed. See this, miss the rally in morning. That is FOMO, fear of missing out. Entered here, average trade here, exited here. This is someone's strategy. Writes trading psychology, mind matters when investing. The art of chart. How to trade, day trade for a living. Baba,
Hello.
look at this.
Nine blouse.
Trading psychology, from best practices to best processes. See this. Mastery course. Wow.
पिशवी हिची ना.
The most important trading emotion.
कोका सगळे हिच.
3 layer of
निकडचं हिच.
patience.
कोका हे.
Okay guys, see these 3 layers of
मग पिशवी नाही.
patience. Waiting for trades, holding on to trades, growing your account. Don't break your rules. Don't get in early. Don't chase price. Holding on to trades. Don't cut winners early. Wait for your TP. Then growing your account. Don't risk too much. Don't over leverage. Avoid shortcuts. Okay guys, these are 3 layers of patience. Just remember, waiting for trades, holding on trades, and growing your account. Buy and sit tight is the strategy. Okay boys, I'm making this video. I'm happy. Let's see how much it goes. Performance psychology, my daily trading psychology routine. Focus on process, peak performance mindset, and motivation journal. So we'll start somewhere. Documented procedures, daily process goals, consistent application, monitor and pattern interrupt, review and improvement, recovery procedures. Okay, good. We'll go next. This is someone's notes. Okay guys, something interruption comes. We'll stop this video here.